Hi everyone, welcome back to my Learn Easy Maths channel. Hi friends, today once again I am before you with some new topic for the discussion. And today's my new topic of discussion is a section formula. Actually this week, as I told you in my previous videos also, that I have taken the coordinate geometry and I am discussing you each and every topic of the coordinate geometry, which is very important from the point of view of examination. Actually, in coordinate geometry, we have 5 to 7 marks of questions which will be asked in our board examination. So, on that basis, I have selected and designed some of the problems and I picked out from the syllabus and which I am discussing you now. Now, in my previous video, I have explained and also discussed about the distance formula, section formula, and also the midpoint formula. The last is area of the triangle using the coordinates A, B, C, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Today we will discuss and we will try to understand what exactly the section formula. Take a straight line. See, here is a line AB, right? This is the point A and this is the point B. Point A has coordinate x1, y1 and B has coordinate x2, y2. This is in what our previous video and also previous discussion we learnt about this, that what is distance formula? Finding the distance between the 2 points, and the distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. But in section formula, the name itself indicates section, means we have to make this section. Means when we are able to make the section, we are able to make the section when we put the point and divide the line with some points. Let there is another point P, and the P has coordinates x and y. These coordinates xy divides the AB straight line which has x1, y1, x2, y2 in the ratio m1 and m2. Okay. For any division, for any section, when we divide, means the division leads to some ratio, isn't it? Here A and B, there is a point divides AB such that the point P divides AB at the coordinates x and y in the ratio m1 and m2, and this should be represented and manifested in the form of formula. How? Let x is equal to, and this will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Yesterday in my video I told you how to write and how to remember this section formula in simple trick. Once again I will show you further. Then next, the point of the y, the point P, which it has the value, this is the coordinate y, it will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula which shows the coordinate x has this value, coordinate y has this value. These coordinates belong to the point P. P divides the AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, using this one, we will solve some of the problems. Once again, for your knowledge sake, I am going to show you that one. See what you have to write. How should you remember to write the section formula? It's very easy. Listen here. Then x is equal to, I told you write mx plus mx by m plus m. For x now, only you need to remember that mx plus mx by m plus m. Only you have to write that 1, 2, 2, 1. The upper part 1, 2, 2, 1. And again in the lower part it is the denominator part 1, 2. And the same formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. In the same way, you can write the coordinates of y as my plus my by m plus m. For x, you should write mx plus mx by m plus m. For y, you should write my plus my by m plus m. Again, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. This is the easy way that you can remember this one. You don't have to by heart, you don't have to think a lot of things about it. It's very simple. Now let's pick one some problems taking from the exercise. A, B are the 2 points which has a coordinate -1, 7. B has coordinates 4, -3. Alright. And it is divided by the point P, X and Y. The ratios are given. The P divides AB in the ratio 2:3. P divides the given line AB in the ratio 2:3. What you have to do, you should solve directly, because you have to find the point which divides the two given points in the ratio 2:3. What is the point and what are the coordinates of that point P? Okay. Now what you should do, you have to do in a very simple way. Apply the formula what it is. First we should find x. X is equal to, what is the section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Alright. Then you have to indicate x1 y1, this x2 y2, which is equal to, and the ratio it is m1 and m2. m1 2, what is x2? x2 is here, that is our 4, plus m2 is 3, and what is x1? It is -1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3, which is equal to, simplify 2 4s are 8, plus into -3 1s are 3 by 5, 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 5. So the coordinate of x is it is 1 by 5. The next you have to find y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. One thing students, particularly the viewers, you should remember, while you are solving, you have to analyze a problem. What is analyze? What is analytical thing? Analytical thing means analyzing the problem. What is given, you should write down. What is not given or what is being asked, that also you should write. What is being given, know that you have to just collect it, and what it requires to be make substitution in that one, directly substitute. For example, here m1 m2 is given, x1 y1 is given, x2 y2 is given, and what is being asked? The point P which divides these 2 points x and y is being asked. So we found x. X is equal to, using this section formula, 1 by 5. And now we are going to find y. This is equal to, yes, what is m1? m1 is 2 and y2 is what? It is -3 plus, and m2 is what? It is 3, and y1 is what? It is 7 by 2 plus 3. Again it is equal to -6 plus 21 divided by 5. -6 plus 21 divided by 5. This is equal to, -6 plus 21 is 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are. So the value of y is 3. Excuse, I beg a pardon of this one. Here little bit, there is a little confusion has been done. 2 4s are 8. 2 into 4 is 8, plus into minus 3. So it is 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. The value of x is 1. So therefore the point P has the value 1 and 5 on the division of the given line in the ratio 2:3. Now we take one more example for your discussion. Now, so after a long gap, now I am going to make an appeal for you all, my dear friends, viewers, and almost all those who are watching. I am happy that my videos are being watched even outside the country also. For those who are watching from the overseas, it's my sincere request, please, your support also matters me a lot. you please support it, and also you subscribe it, and also you just make me to reach to an extent so that I will be a continuous part of your just learning and giving the knowledge platform. Now the next problem is that a line AB AB, okay, which has coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2, and this line AB is divided in trisection with the points P with the points Q. A line AB is divided into trisection with the points P and Q. What is the trisection? AP one section, PQ another section, and QB is a third section. 1, 2, 3. This is the trisection. Okay. Now we have to find what are the coordinates of the point P and coordinate of the point Q. Okay. What to do? Again, we have to just apply the section formula. What it is given. X is equal to this and Y is equal to this. We will have some logical discussion on this one. Line AB, these two are the coordinates. It is divided with the 2 points that in the form of 3 section. Alright, and we should find what is this and what is this. So I assume that for the continuity sake, I will take this P as x3, y3 and Q as x4 and y4. Alright. And now I have to divide this line. Already it is being divided. I have to consider this line and I should fix some ratio. What should I do now? I take the ratio first. It is AQ. That is, how many AQ from A to Q, how many sections are there? It is in the form of 2 sections. And from Q to B, how many sections? It has 1 section. So I take the ratio as 2:1. So in order to find the coordinate of the Q point x4, y4. Alright. So let's take this one. x4 is equal to, this is m1, m2. As you know that x1 and y1, what it is given? 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Alright. x4 is equal to m1. What is m1? 2 into x2 minus 2 plus m2 1 into then x1. What is x1? It is 4. m1 plus m2, that is divided by 3. Directly I take, otherwise I will take this 2 plus 1. Once again I repeat that this I am taking the point AQ to QB and the Q has the coordinate x4 and y4. I am finding x4 by using section formula. x4 is equal to, that is m1. m1 means what? 2 into x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Then what are this one? 2 2s are minus 4 plus 1 4s are 4 divided by 3. Minus 4 plus 4 and this is equal to 0 by 3 and its value is 0. Alright. Now coming to y4. Again you should apply the section formula with the points of the coordinates y. Then y4 is equal to y2 y1 with these ratios. m1 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus m1 is 1 into y1 is minus 1. Alright, divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 3s are minus 6 plus into minus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 7 by 3. And this is y4 and this is x4. I write here x4 as 0 and y4 is minus 7 by 3. Okay, and this is half part of the problem. Out of these 2 points, we found x4 is 0 and we found y4 is minus 7 by 3. So we have to find another point P. P is in between A and Q. P is in between A and Q. How do I find the midpoint formula? I am going to apply it. Because P is in between A and Q, I apply the midpoint formula. What is that? x3 is equal to 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 divided by 2. x1 plus x4, that is 4 plus 0 by 2, and y1 minus 1 minus 7 by 3 by 2. Alright, minus 1 y1 plus y4 is minus 7 by 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 plus 0 is 4 divided by 2. 3 ones are 3, minus 3 minus 7 by this 3, and 2 comes to the upper part, it will be 3 into 2, which is equal to 4 by 2 minus 10 by, this is 6. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 by 2, 2 fives are 2 threes are, this is minus 5 by 3. So the value of x3 and this one is what? It is 2 minus 5 by 3. This is this x3 and x4, sorry, x3 and y3, which is equal to 2 minus 5 by 3. x3 is 2 and it is minus 5 by 3. Okay, by this way we can find the values using the section formula. With this one now, here I am going to end up this video. I hope that you understand well. We will discuss some more problems in the future to come in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share it and you watch it. Make it my watch hour to an higher extent so that it will be helpful to you all, and also it is kind of a compliment to me. With this one I am going to end up my video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.